Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the login as another user Odoo module developed by Openinside. As a system administrator, you usually need to log in as another user to do things like setting up profiles, ensure permissions are set correctly, and complete other configuration tasks. Login as another user allows administrators to have easy access to the system as a specific user and thus solve problems or provide better and faster support. This module enables the admins to log in as a particular user and handle any situation without wasting any time at all. This is a useful solution for testing and verifying user access rights. Also, this feature offers two options for logging in. 1. As a specific user. 2. On behalf of a user belongs to a particular access group. Let's get started with our demo. First of all, we'll enable the debug mode, which is the developer tool. Then we will have this user icon here. Click the user icon. And this wizard or pop-up window will show up. You can select the group or the user. Currently I'm logged in as 𝐻𝒎 and I will change it to Mark. Click on the user icon. Then select the user mark. Click Switch to User. Now, I'm logged in as Mark. I can also return back to my user with one click using this icon. Now, I'm logged in with my original user, 𝐻𝒎. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on the login as another user module developed by Openinside. We hope this video has given you an easy guidance in how to use this tool. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of Openinside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.